In the new Fusion version 15, you can split up the view so that you can, if you've got two different screens, you can show your presentation on one screen to a customer, and you can make changes and do other things onto the other one. And this is nice because you can actually freeze the screen on your customer's side. So the first thing that you would do is you can go to Window and you can go New Window, and this will open up into a brand new window, and you can actually drag this across to the screen that you're wanting to show the customer. So if you right click on it on this screen, you can change the renders to Future Vision for your customer, and it will start rendering for you now. Okay, here we go, and you'll notice that this is for the customer. You don't have any working tools on the side left hand side. All you can do is right click on the design. You can freeze this design, and then you can go back and work on the original design. So let's go. I'm just going to right click on here. I'm not going to say always on top, so that's untick that, and then we can work on the design. So while the customer is busy looking at that design, you can change, for instance, this unit here to a glass door. So let's do that. Let's say WG. Let's make sure what the dimensions are. 900. WG, change it to 900 and replace it. And now while you're busy changing the units in this design, the customer still sees the original design on the other one until you want to unfreeze the design. So let's go back to the other one, and you'll notice that it still remains the same. There it is there. It's still the same, while your other one has now produced a glass door. And let's have a look at that. So there's the glass door there. Now if we wanting to change both of these, and let's see what this one is, 500 and 500. So if we wanting to replace this with a meter glass door unit, we can change that as well. And all the time while you're changing this, the client still has the same view as he had before. Okay, we've added in those two glass units, and we can still see the other side, the other screen that we've just created, still has those solid doors there. But if you right click on the screen and go and you tick on freeze where it's ticked on there, it will start rendering and replace those two cupboards there with those glass doors. And there we have it there. We've got the two glass doors that are there. Let's see some other features in this customer's view. You can right click on it and you can change the render settings, as we've said. You can name this view, you can switch to different views, and you can go to plan, elevation and perspective, and you can always keep this one at the top so that it doesn't change to any other view. And this is basically how to split your different windows so that for your different clients. And that's a great feature to have in this new version. Thank you very much.